In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off the blue light, which can damage your eyes on your PC. Now this is super simple guys, so let's get straight into it. What you want to do is you want to press on the Windows button down here and you're going to search for night light. Now once you have night light here, you're going to open it and you will see the night light settings. You can choose the strength, and if you read right here, it says that your screen emits a blue light which can keep you up at night. But if you turn this on, it will display warmer colors which can help you sleep. So you simply can press turn on now and your screen will change color and it will stop emitting the blue light. Now you can do it permanently just by putting it on, or you can turn it off. You can also schedule it if you want to have it only for the night. So you can press right here and you can schedule it however you want. So that's basically how you can remove the blue light. You simply turn on the night light and that's how you do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.